Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you know your girl is back with another foundation Friday, and today we're gonna test the Super Dewy from Makeup Revolution. So if you want to see how this foundation work, how it perform, how it do it thing, you already know what to do. Keep on watching. Okay, so we're back and let's talk about this foundation. I think I've done foundations with terrible shade range. I think this is the worst. So this is the Super Dewy Skin Tinted Moisturizer from Makeup Revolution. And this shade is medium because the other shade that they had was like caramel, which was dark, and then way light. So they only have 5 shades. 5 shades. This is $5. Oh, sorry, $12, and it is 1.85 fluid ounce, so it has a little bit more than the usual, you know. So this says, create a fresh face look with Revolution Super Dewy Tinted Moisturizer. The lightweight formula combines skincare with makeup, working to blur the look of imperfection with a sheer light coverage. Enriched with antioxidant, wildberry extract, and 68% water base, the tinted moisturizer provides long-lasting hydration and a natural-looking dewy finish. It's vegan and cruelty-free. Jesus Christ. 5 shades. So if you just like it, just the shade range, I'm not even gonna like really. I don't know. I hate these because then I have to like stick my teeth to it, and I don't even think this is gonna match me either. Like this looks white, but this is like going down here. I don't know what it's doing. Feels good. Yeah, we don't know yet what we're going with this, but this foundation is not gonna be the business. So it has a pump. Oh my god. Look at this. Oh my god. So it's supposed to be a very sheer coverage. Thank God. Because you know, it feels cold. Like it's kind of cooling. That feels good though. That is good. I like the feeling. Okay, it's not too bad. Let's cover that wig. You won't see it when I fix my wig. I don't even know what to say about this. Like the coverage is not a lot. I don't expect it to be a lot because this is just a moisturizer, like a tinted moisturizer, but I feel like they should have a little bit more shade. Okay, this is enough because it doesn't matter how much I put on my face, it's not gonna be like full coverage. So it's all good. Almost feel like I just leave it set for a little bit. This is my Jeffree Star concealer. See, now I feel like this is C. This is maybe too dark. Just tap in this because for a little, I don't know. I don't think this did anything, guys. Like nothing. Nothing. I don't know. I feel like this concealer is giving me more coverage than my foundation, but the side of my nose is already like there's already a separation. That's how quick that was. So I tell you, I ain't gonna use. I can already tell. Okay, so I don't know. Think the stuff lay fine on the foundation. I don't know. I'll do my usual 2 check-ins, and at the end of the night, I will give you my final thoughts on what I think about this foundation. So, see you guys later.
He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Got a guy, feeling more than right.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my first check-in, but look at this mirror. Like, it is so cool. It's actually by Alamo in Austin, Texas. It is the craziest, like how cool it is. But yeah, this looks messy, but yeah, my foundation. But look at how patchy this looks. I don't know. I already knew this foundation was not gonna be great. Now, like under my lights, it looked amazing, but now that I have all my stuff, like, you know, it's just like, look at this. It's just like patchy. There's no coverage, and everything just looks wild. But yeah, look at the makeup look though. So good, but it is crazy. Just amazing. But yeah, we just focus on the eye because the foundation is not that great. But yeah, so as usual, I'll give you guys one more check-in, and then I will give you my final thoughts at the end of the night on how this foundation works. So see you guys later.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till.
Hi guys, so I'm doing my final check-in. Foundation still looks like crap. I'm actually in my grocery store doing my check-in in the makeup section, but yeah, it's just so patchy. I don't know what's happening here, but so by now I've been wearing this foundation for maybe about 3 hours, and I don't know, it is not the business. Like right here looks like I have no foundation, like nothing. But yeah, look at the eye makeup though. I keep getting compliments on my eye makeup, you know, because it's bossing, you know, that's cute. But yeah, apart from that, you know, my face doesn't feel dewy even if the foundation is, I don't know, it's like everything just looks weird on how it's like laid and stuff like that. But yeah, so this is my last check-in, and I will just, you know, give my final thoughts on whether I would recommend getting this foundation or not. So see you guys later.
Feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Feeling more than right in his care. So I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere.
Hi guys, so we're back, and time to talk about this foundation. I hate it. I mean, I wouldn't go that far and say I hate it, because hate is a strong word. But look at this. Like, I knew this foundation, like, I knew the coverage was very light, but it just disappeared. Like, from here, it disappeared. And I think here, it doesn't look as bad because I had other products. Like, I had my bronzer and I had blush. Look at that blush, though. But apart from that, like, I don't know what happened. It just, psh, gone. I was like, I don't know. But, and then, like, right here, I have some separation. And then here, and then by my lip area, it's just, and I actually did go, because earlier on in my video I said there was 5 shades. I actually did check at my local grocery store, which is why I got this to begin with. So it's actually 6 shades, but this would have been the closest to me, which is medium, because the other shades were like dark caramel and I think mocha, which I don't fall in any of those categories. I was able to kind of make the shades work, but I know like a lot of people don't really like to get foundations where they have to make it work, because sometimes you have to get 2 shades, or sometimes you know some people don't bronze, some people, and then usually that's how I can make a foundation work, is by just going crazy with my bronzer. But some people just, you know, that's not their thing, and they just want one foundation to just work. But this will not be it. You might have to mix a couple shades, and $12 by the time you mix a couple shades, if you didn't get it on sale, that's already $24. And you know, I know it adds up like real quick. So the big question is, do I recommend this foundation? No, I don't like this foundation at all. I know it's supposed to be kind of like a tinted moisturizer situation. There are a ton of other ones out there, like the e.l.f. one is a really good one. I would recommend that one. Rihanna or Fenty Beauty I'm like Rihanna, like, you know, we're friends. Fenty Beauty has one, I think it's like Fenty Skin or something like that. Oh, not Fenty Skin, oh, it's right here actually. It is the Ease Drop. That one I think is really good as well. It's a little bit, you know, on the pricier side, but at least you can get your shade and it's really good. So yeah, so that's it guys for this foundation Friday. Don't forget to like, subscribe, join the family, and you know what, I'll see you on my next video. Bye guys.